Hello, hello. It is getting towards the end of the week, and I am Coach Skip, and I have your burn workout for Thursday. So hopefully you've had a great week. We're going to be working for the weekend here this morning. So get your work in. Takes 30 minutes or less. Go hard, go fast, and you can feel great about the rest of the day and have a guilt-free weekend this weekend. We will have another workout for you tomorrow too, so you can get that in and then really enjoy your weekend. So for the warm-up today, we've got 3 rounds of 25 run in place, 5 right side plank bridges, 10 dead bugs, and then 5 left side plank bridges. So we haven't done this one in a while, so I'll explain everything. So 3 rounds, starting with that run in place. Just keep your knees in front of you, stay on your toes, move your arms and legs together, and make sure you keep that torso straight up and down. It gets easy to hunch here, and we want to keep everything up and solid. If you want to make it more challenging, really get those knees up and go faster for those 25 reps. Right plus left is going to equal 1 on these, so just count that right leg each time. If you need to take it back a notch, then just do a standing march, and that'll take away the impact of the exercise. After that, you're going to be doing your right side plank bridges, and so on that plank bridge, you are going to start with your hips on the ground and your forearm down, and then you're just going to push those hips up and right back down. And just get that good motion. You're going to feel that in the core, the obliques, all that stuff. And then when we do the other one, you'll just switch sides and go to the other side for the other plank bridges. So if you want to put your hand up on your hip, great. If you need to just have it on the ground a little bit more, that's totally fine. And if you need to do this to the knee, that's okay too. And it's probably hard to see this, but you can also have your knee on the ground and still get that core up. So if you need to do this from more of a raised platform, then what I want you to do is just push those hips down and up. And just that way you're moving back and forth. You just might need to balance with your feet a little bit more on that one. The other exercise that we have in there, and it is between those side plank bridges, is going to be the dead bug. It's also called a contralateral limb raise, and hands overhead, and you're bringing your right hand to your left foot. And notice how I'm keeping my back on the ground. I'm not coming up here. I'm just bringing the legs together, or foot and hand together, and just back and forth. Same thing. Right plus left equals 1. Keep those arms and legs as straight as possible. If getting down on the ground is an issue, just do it from the top and do that opposite starfish and just reach back and forth and just get as low as you can go. If you need to go, if you can go to the foot, great. If you need to go to the knee, that's totally fine. So 3 rounds, 25 run in place, 5 right side plank bridges, 10 dead bugs, and 5 left side plank bridges. For the workout today, we've got a 5-minute AMRAP that you are going to repeat 3 times with a 1-minute rest in between each round. At the beginning of each round, you are going to pick up where you left off on that AMRAP. So if you're in the middle of the exercises, that's where you'll start on that 2nd and then 3rd round. We're going to be doing 20 mountain climbers, 10 dolphin push-ups, 10 lunges, and 10 plank jacks. So starting out with that mountain climber, hands under your shoulders, and you're bringing your right knee to your right elbow, left knee to left elbow, and just back and forth 20 times. Right plus left equals 1 on these. So both legs is 1 rep. If you need to go to a higher position, that's totally fine. And on either one of them, you can do a step up and step back instead of that jumping motion. After your 20 mountain climbers, you've got 10 dolphin push-ups. So you're going to go on your forearms on this one, and you're going to start with your butt up into the air, and then you're just going to push those hips forward and right back up. And really get that stretch at the top. Really work on getting your hips down, but stay off the ground each time too. You can also, from raised platform, Do the same thing, right up and right back and forth like this. Those dolphin push-ups. After your 10 dolphin push-ups, you've got 10 lunges. What we want to see on that lunge is take that big step forward, get that knee on the ground, and then push away all the way back up to the top, and then switch legs. And that's going to be 1 rep. If you're not able to get quite all the way down to the ground, but you can get close, then that's totally fine on this one. And if you, and so on those, the biggest thing is getting the best range of motion possible for what you've got. And that also includes using that trusty step. Any step in the house will do, a front step, a back step, something that's 8 to 12 inches off the ground is what we're looking for. And just step up and back 10 times each leg. Final exercise is going to be 10 plank jacks. You're going to be on your forearms here, and you're just going to be moving those legs back and forth like a jumping jack. You can also do this stepping back and forth or from the raised platform, jumping or stepping. So 5-minute AMRAP, 3 rounds, 1 minute rest in between each round, 20 mountain climbers, 10 dolphin push-ups, 10 lunges, and 10 plank jacks. Pick up where you left off in that second and then third round. Still count your rounds and reps and have a blast with this one. Share it with somebody that you know and love that wants to get in shape. You got someone that you're hanging out with this weekend and having a good time with, say, hey, great, get this workout in. And that way we can have a little bit more fun this weekend. So thanks a lot, guys. I'm Coach Skip signing off, and I will see you Friday. Have a great day.